Hello guys. Today is a bit of a different video because I will be servicing my boat. I'm just feeling the smoothnesses of the cracks. This is my sander I will be using. It's an okay size for the job I'm doing. Okay, so now my dad is gonna put the sanding paper on the sander. Done. Time to start sanding. Buzz buzz. Don't worry, it won't hurt me, it would just tickle and wiggle my skin a bit. Done sanding that area. A lot more to go. I'm just feeling if it's soft and smooth. It's kinda smooth and soft. It's good enough for the paint. Well, that's enough sanding for now, let's do the rudder. Okay, so my dad is unscrewing the propa shaft. Sadly, I just realized the rudder is gone. Anyways, I'll update you guys soon, bye for now.
I look like a poo-poo, but I'm a lollipop.